Want to create multiple YouTube channels using just one Gmail account? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to add more channels under the same email, no extra accounts needed. Follow each step exactly, and you'll have your new channel ready in less than a minute. Start by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of YouTube. From the drop-down menu, click on View Your Channel. This will take you to your main YouTube channel page. Once you're on your channel page, click the Customize Channel button. This opens the YouTube Studio customization panel. Inside the customization area, look at the left side menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Channel from the sidebar. This is where you manage your YouTube channel details. Next, click on the Advanced Settings tab. This section contains options for channel ownership, branding, and account-level controls. Scroll down and click on Manage YouTube Account. This will redirect you to your Google account settings specifically for YouTube. On this page, look for the option that says Add or Manage Your Channels and click it. This is where all your channels are stored. Now click on Create a New Channel. Enter your new channel name, confirm your details, and hit Create. And that's it. Your new YouTube channel is now added under the same Gmail account, and you can switch between channels anytime using your profile icon. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below if you want tutorials like this every day.